Hey everyone, Stephen Hamby here with Denthogs Paintless Dent Repair. Today we're going to be working on a 2011 Yamaha Stryker gas tank. Has one of the worst gas tank dents we've had to repair so far. This comes all the way from Nashville, Tennessee. Our customer bought this bike brand new off the showroom floor and somehow it got dented pretty badly, so he shipped this tank to us and we're going to go ahead and repair this today.
If you're thinking, man, that is a really big dent, then you're not alone, because we were thinking the exact same thing when we first saw this. Unfortunately, there's no access to the side of the tank through the fuel opening on the top because the backbone is just way too high, preventing us from being able to get our tools to the side of the tank. That opening is the only access inside the tank, and it's only 3/8 diameter. Most of our tools are 1/2 inch, so we couldn't even get any of our normal PDR tools on the back side of this. Because of these factors, we pretty much had to start this repair with glue pulling, which is what you're seeing here. We're actually shrinking the dent down, getting it a lot smaller before we take a tool through that little opening on the bottom to try and shape out the rest of the damage. While performing paintless dent repairs, it's very common to see high spots and crowns emerge outside of the perimeter of the dent. These have to be knocked back down and blended flat before continuing with the repair. Eventually we reached a point in the repair where glue pulling was no longer effective at removing the dent, so we switched over to our traditional PDR tools, going through the opening on the bottom to clean up what's left of the damage. We're finished with the repair, and as you can tell, that dent is gone, slick, there's no evidence it was ever there, and the customer was absolutely blown away. He actually had contacted another paintless dent repair company about this tank and was turned down. They told him that it could not be fixed. So we kind of considered that a challenge, and we're very happy that we took the job on. The customer was happy, and it was just an overall great experience working on this tank. Alright guys, again, I appreciate you checking out this video. If you'd like to get in touch with us, you can give us a call at 678-544-3004, or you can find us on our website, dentrepairgeorgia.com.